Okay, it's closed in. So I first connected this 2x4, lose myself here, this 2x4 right here to the 2x6 separately, then put it into position after I put this on, screwed that down, just one there because it's, gravity's holding that there, and just as long as it can't push out. And then I put this into place with all these on, and then screwed from here into the 2x6, so everything's held up. And then I was able to come out here, space these out, and put a screw in, and a couple screws in, a couple of them. But I didn't do every one. Like this one right here, it's too bad it's broke so much, but it's still solid, so I'm gonna leave it. It's not, it's just cracked bad, but that's okay. I mean, I could, I guess what I could do is take that screw out, or put one in the side there, pre-drill, take that one out, put it in there, and then pre-drill down below after I squish them together. I think I will do that. It'll just look better, and it'll be solider too. Okay, so that's closed in, and I got this open because that's what I used to close that in. So we're now ready to put this side in. This side is pretty solid. We're 2 screws on top, 2 on bottom, and braced just the right height so the distance between this one and this one is parallel all the way down through. So now I'd like to go and get a 2x4, the length of that, well, it's a 4x4, but it's more like a 3.5 by 3.5. Put one up here and then laminate another one on top of it. So it'll bring it out almost to the same width, be a 1/2 inch short, or not as thick, but I think they'll look fine. I do have some 4x4s that would match, but I think they're painted. I'll look. But I know I do in Lewistown, but I don't want to wait till then. So I think I might just use 2 2x4s together to make that distance. And then we're ready to put the steps on and the stonework and everything else. So yeah, exciting. Okay, let's get the music back on and go get some 2x4s. Oh, probably straighten up that other one. But yeah, making good progress.